how to turn your power tool batteries, like from a drill or angle grinder, into a massive portable power bank you can take anywhere. It's super safe, high capacity, and you'll never need to buy a regular power bank again. Grab a battery interface adapter designed for your power tool brand, like Makita, DeWalt, or Milwaukee. Get a power converter module with built-in USB ports that snaps right onto that battery interface. Plug in a USB cable to connect your phone, GoPro, or even recharge a smaller power bank. Once everything is plugged in, you're good to go. Bonus tip for your setup: look for a power tool battery USB adapter on Amazon or eBay. Companies actually sell all-in-one clip-on adapters that already have built-in USB ports and safety circuit ports to prevent over-discharging your tool batteries. Assembly takes literally 5 seconds. You just slide your power converter module directly onto the battery's adapter clip until it clicks into place. Most off-the-shelf adapters come equipped with dual USB ports and built-in step-down converters. That means they automatically drop the tool's 18 to 20 volts down to a safe 5 volts, or fast charge output for your electronics. Always make sure your converter features low voltage protection, so you don't over-discharge and ruin your tool battery. Plugging in a phone, a GoPro, and a smaller pocket power bank all at once. And that's it. No more buying overpriced power banks that die in 6 months. Use what you already have in your shop. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more gear hacks. See you in the next one. Huge thanks for hanging out and watching today's video. If this setup saved you some cash or gave you a cool idea for your workshop, drop a like and let me know in the comments what tool battery brand you're running. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more practical DIY hacks. Catch you guys in the next video.